Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Python automation with OpenAI in Google Colab. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to Google Colab by entering colab.research.google.com in the address bar. Once on Google Colab, click on New Notebook in the upper left corner. In the new notebook, start by ensuring the runtime is set to Python. Click on Runtime in the menu, then select Change Runtime Type. In the pop-up, ensure that Python is selected as the runtime type, then click Save. Next, you need to install the OpenAI library. In the first cell of your notebook, type the command pip install OpenAI. Run the cell by pressing Shift plus Enter. Wait for the installation to complete, which will take just a moment. Once installed, it's time to import the OpenAI package. In a new cell, type Import OpenAI. Now you need your OpenAI API key. Log into your OpenAI account and navigate to the API keys section. Copy your API key, ensuring you keep it secure. Back in Google Colab, you can set your API key as an environment variable. Type the following command in a new cell, import OS. Next, set the API key with this command, os.environ, OpenAI_API_key, equals your _API_key_ here. Replace your _API_key_ here with the actual key you copied. To ensure the key is set correctly, verify by running print os.getinv, OpenAI_API_key. You should see your API key displayed in the output. Now you're ready to use OpenAI's API for automation. In a new cell, you can start by generating text. Type the following command, Python response equals OpenAI completion.create, engine equals text DaVinci 003, prompt equals hello, OpenAI, max_tokens equals 50. You can replace the prompt with any text you want OpenAI to respond to. To see the generated response, type print response.choices 0.text.strip. Run the cell to execute the command. You'll see the output generated by OpenAI based on your provided prompt. Experiment with different prompts and settings to see how versatile the API is. Consider using loops or functions to automate tasks efficiently. You can also integrate data processing with libraries like Pandas for advanced automation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.